I'm gonna use my brand new lathe to shine up my boots. For this project, you're gonna need some kiwi shoe polish. I've got the tan because I've got tan boots. I found this in the closet. It's probably like 50 years old, who knows. Last person in the house probably left it here. So, charging cloth from Harbor Freight. Woo! We're gonna go ahead and charge it, and we're gonna buff our shoes. Yee-haw! Woo! Look at that shine! Dang, they're like new! I should have my safety glasses on, huh? What's all the fluff coming off this piece of shit? Wah! It's getting out of control, huh? What's all this shit? Oh man! I don't know if this is going too well, guys. But my boots are looking good. That's the before, that's the after. I think I need to change the wheels and start over. This wheel's a turd ball. Hold on. This one is going directly into the trash. Look. Woo! Gone. New wheel from the depot. Yeah. Momentary pause while we clean. So now we've got the garage cleaned up. Took 4 hours. We're back. Here we go. Oh yeah. Ooh, that is a beautiful looking boot. Woo! Look at that. Before and after. How's that? I knew this lathe was a great purchase when I bought it. I got the lathe set at about 1800 RPM. Let's get the other side shined up. Yee-yee. Ladies, gentlemen, that's how you take your boots, that's how you take your fancy lathe, and that's how you make them shiny. Now fellas, go tell your wives that you've got something that's going to make their shoes shine. Go out and buy yourselves a lathe. There's multiple uses to a single machine. If you like this, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, guys. This ain't all about woodworking, we're about having fun here. Woo woo!